Hi friends, when we file the petition before the NCLT for the operation and the mismanagement under section 241 to section 244 of the Companies Act, and these petitions are filed before the NCLT bench. Now to protect it's a significant step to protect the minority shareholders. So minority shareholders' rights in the company. Before taking the steps of the for filing the petition before the NCLT bench for the operation and mismanagement, there are certain terms and conditions and other factors to be considered before that. So, who can file? It means eligibility to file the petition for the operation and mismanagement before the NCLT. That's a if the company is with a share capital, then in that case, at least 100 members or 1/10 of the total number of members, whichever is lower, or at least 1/10 of the uh, total paid of capital. Sorry, total issued capital, share capital. Or if the company having without share capital, then at least 1/5 of the total number of the members. And there is also a waiver conditions that in that situations, if above two conditions are not met or not able to satisfy, then must demonstrate before the NCLT to get the waiver that there are certain situations or circumstances like a fraud or malified actions to get the order to file the petition before the NCLT bench. So these are the conditions that's under section 244 of the Companies Act 2013. Now, example of operations or example of operations. What is called the operation? Like that illegal allotment of the shares, refusal to register the transfer of the shares, or exclusion of the management, or the non-service of the meetings, or the violation of the articles of the association, etc. And some of the examples like mismanagement, so siphoning of the company's funds, selling the assets at a very lower price, neglecting to hold the board meetings, or the gross negligence by the directors. So in that situations, you can plan to file the petition before the NCLT, but before that you must have a substantive evidence to support your arguments. So that should be document and the sound proof, a strong and documented proof there should be. To get more information, please subscribe.